How to make Google Drive files available offline. Are you not always connected to the internet and therefore unable to access the necessary files on Google Drive? Let's solve that problem. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Then click on the Files icon in the bottom bar. I want to make one photo available even when I'm not connected to the internet. The procedure is as follows. Click on the three dots next to the selected file. After that, in the window, press Make Available Offline. And that's it. If you want to make multiple files available offline at once, here's how. I will open one of my folders because I have several files there. Long press on the first file and then just click on the other files you want to select. There is an easier way, which is to click on this icon, and it will select all the items you have in the folder. After that, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. In the window, press Make Available Offline. Now all your necessary files will be available offline. I will go back a step to show you where you can see which files you have made available offline. Click on the three lines in the upper left corner. There you will find the offline section. Open it. And here is the list of my files that I can open and view at any time, regardless of whether I am connected to the internet. I believe this tutorial will be helpful for you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Join the digital family by clicking the subscribe button if you haven't already.